I can't also say enough for all of the hurdles that you've overcome as a team, all of the challenges, all the supply chain challenges, starting a second shift, all of the changes that come every single day, everything that hits us in the face, all the headwinds, all of the naysayers, everybody that says that there was no way in hell we were going to make $25,000 this year, take that. Take that. Move that truck. Hi, team. Welcome back to a new year at Rivian. As we enter 2023, I wanted to take a few minutes to thank you for everything we accomplished last year. It was our first full year of production, and despite numerous headwinds and challenges, we produced 25,051 vehicles and factory gated 24,337. These numbers alone tell a story of commitment, problem solving, and teamwork. But we did so much more in 2022. We made improvements and changes to all of our vehicles. We launched the EDV 500. We finished the West expansion and have new lines coming in 2023. Our normal team grew exponentially. On any given day, we have over 6,000 employees on site, and we've onboarded more than 4,000 manufacturing team members. Our onboarding program expanded from 2 to 4 days to provide additional hands-on training before new employees report to the floor. We celebrated 1,117 promotions in manufacturing, while also launching the second shift. And we focused on safety. We set records. In particular, I was thrilled when we produced 200 vehicles in a single day. But we continued to break daily and weekly records in all shops throughout the year. We hosted our first Summer Family Day, and of course, welcomed friends and family during the Super Mega Holidazzler. We started our volunteer program and continued to expand our involvement within the community. We also hosted a successful supplier day with over 500 key decision makers from our leading suppliers. Our leadership team hosted hundreds of listening and learning sessions and our first topic-specific focus group to learn more from you. Honestly, it's hard to believe one team could accomplish so much in just 1 year. Take a minute to think about how far we've come. Last year, we had to build the processes, the team, and the systems as we went. That was a challenge, but all that work has given us a solid foundation for an exciting 2023. As we start the new year, I want to provide a preview about our goals for 2023. As we scale our business, increasing our output will be critical, but it's achievable, especially as we continue building the night shift. Once the night shift is fully staffed and running smoothly, we will see a significant jump in our numbers. We also have a number of new programs that I'm excited about. Our all-new drive unit, the Enduro line, will be coming online in Q1. Module Line 3 and battery will be coming online with the C2 battery. And our all-new EDV MCA launch, which incorporates significant changes to our EDV product. There's a lot of work to be done, and I think the key to everything is normal pride. I talk about it a lot, but it's how we need to work each and every day. Having pride in what you do, in building world-class vehicles in a great work environment, is necessary and something we should all expect from each other. Our success will depend on doing the big, important things. It starts with safety. It's the responsibility of every single person on the Rivian team to adventure safely. That means wearing team wear and PPE, submitting blind spots, following procedures, paying attention to the walkways and your surroundings, staying off your phone while walking or in a work area, and generally keeping yourself and each other safe every single day. But a safe work environment is more than just avoiding injuries. It's also about creating a culture where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. We need to treat each other with respect, follow policies, and abide by our code of conduct. There will be zero tolerance for harassment or other unsafe behaviors. You'll also be hearing a lot more about the Rivian Integrated Operating System, or RIOS, in the coming year. The RIOS principles provide us the structure and discipline needed to scale with operational excellence. It's the way we work, and it's essential to our success. Also, in particular, we will be focused on adding in quality at every single point of the manufacturing process. These big initiatives are truly the keys to our success and to creating a great work environment. But it's also the little things that we do that will make us better each and every day. I want everyone to feel pride and ownership of your workstation. Thanks again for a great 2022. And here's to an awesome 2023. Let's keep showing our normal pride.